Hi, here is Nicola, and this is my first season here with the theater, with the company. It's such a nice pleasure to be here with these amazing colleagues. And today what I would like to show you is this solo that I worked on it with Michele Pastorini. The concept is about this man who is stuck in the earth, who came from the moon but now is stuck on the earth, and he has to adapt himself to a new place. So this is what I would like to show you, to give you, to take this image, and I don't know, maybe I can inspire you. I hope you like it. I hope that can really inspire you and think about it, and bye.